Hi, today let's decorate some hand sanitizers for Halloween. These will be going in different items for my craft fair that I will show in a different video. But I found these orange hand sanitizers at Five Below, and they were 2 for $5. And I went through my letters. Today I'm going to use these round colored letters. I like these because they're bigger. And then I have these that if you put them on a bracelet, they feed through the side. But I thought these would be really cute as well. And then on the bats, we're going to put a cute bat just to see how these turn out. So all you need is the hand sanitizer, some letters, a glue gun, and these are called Cabochons or flatbacks. And I get these off Amazon or Temu or AliExpress. And they're really not expensive at all. Let's start with this one. I just think these big letters are cute. So what I like to do is, before I start gluing, I kind of just get an idea of how I want to place it. You just want to be careful that you don't cover up the hole where the sanitizer sprays out. So, you know, there's different ways you can do this. You can just put them straight like that. Okay. I think it looks fun when you tilt them. It kind of looks wonky, and I think that's adorable when you do it a little bit sideways like that. So that's probably what I'm going to do on this one. Or you can go like, you can come down in a curve like that. Okay. But for this one, I'm just going to do a little bit wonky along the bottom. And I would have loved the S to be a different color, but that's all I could find in my stash of letters was those colors, so that's okay. Okay, so I'm just going to put some hot glue on. Place that one there. It dries really quick. And if a little bit of hot glue pops out and you can see it, don't worry, that's not that big of a deal. I like to just place them on ahead of time, kind of get an idea of how I want them to look, and then the spacing as well. But again, don't worry, it doesn't have to be perfect. See, I really could have tilted that A a little bit more, but that's okay. The thing about hot glue, because it does dry so fast, you don't really have time to pull it off and redo it unless you want to pull it off and then peel it off so that there's none left and then redo it. But it dries really fast and stays on really well. The only thing I've discovered that does not stay on well is, let me grab this. I think I have one here. So this is a rubber case that goes on a sanitizer, and I see I've lost the Y. I had Batty. So first of all, because this is silicone, I tried hot glue, that didn't hold. Then I used E6000, and now that's not holding. See how easy that came off? That was with E6000. So I've decided that maybe I will not be gluing anything onto the rubber, the silicone holders, unless one of you has a better idea and can give me a tip. That would be great. Okay, now where do I want to put the bats? I could go, let's see, what would be cute? Maybe like that. Or you could put it down here where that hand is. Make sure I'm in frame. Okay, so my option is that or that. And I like it up here, and that's because of where I'm going to put it, what I'm going to put it in, I want the bat to show. And that, like I said, that will be in a different video. And again, just make sure you're not covering up the little hole where the sanitizer sprays out. That is cute. I just like those big letters. I think they're really, really cute. Okay, so there's bats. And obviously, the longer the word, the harder it's going to be to fit letters. I like doing bats and boo because they fit so easily. Let me see if I can real quick find a cute ghost. Most of my, a lot of my charms have a ring built in them, you know, to make a to make a charm, so I don't know if I'll be able to find anything. Okay, I am looking. And I guess you could glue a charm on, that would be okay. Here's a cute little wood ghost that might, I don't know. It's so, well, yeah, I think it'll fit. If we go like this, put him there. And then the boo, how's that? Okay, let's tip. Yeah, I like that one tipped that way. Something like that. That's cute. Okay, let's glue that one on. That's not my favorite ghost, but because the camera was running on record, I didn't want to take a lot of time and look through all my containers. And yeah, I could have shut it off and came back, but that's okay. That still looks cute. Okay, now we're going to put the bee a little bit sideways. And I do have other colors that I've decorated, and you'll see those in some of my craft fair videos that are coming up. Okay, boo. I really like these big letters. I got these from Temu. That is cute. And then, you know how glue leaves strings sometimes that you have to just take off. Okay, so very cute. Okay, now let's do, I tried to think of short words. You know, I went on ChatGPT and said, give me some 4- and 5-letter words for Halloween. But I thought potion would be cute because you could think of this as potion. So let's just see how this would fit. We'd have to kind of wrap it. Potion. Let's see, I think we could go a little bit closer. I see, I just don't know if I'm gonna like that. I mean, I guess you get the idea. No, I don't think I love it. I think I'd rather do boo. So, because I've got 2 O's. See, the short letters, the shorter words, they just fit on a lot cuter. Okay, I'm looking for a B. Here's a B. Okay. See, the short ones just fit, the short words fit on so much easier. You could either go like that or something like that. I don't know, what do you think? You'll have to comment and tell me what you like. Do you like it better when it kind of wraps around, or do you like it when it's straight? And you could put it in the middle, or you can just go off to the side. I'm just going to put mine off to the side. I have done some on other projects that curve, and again, you'll see more of that in some upcoming videos. So I've got more time to craft right now. I'm retired, but I was working part-time at a piano store selling pianos, and the owners decided to sell the store, and a different music company bought it, and the owner decided he didn't want to use me. He's going to bring his own employees from another store, which I understand. So now I'm not working my part-time job anymore. I've had a couple interviews I'm waiting to hear on. Even though I'm retired, I like to work part-time because I like to have extra money. And if you're a crafter, you know how expensive it is to craft. Because you have to keep building your stash, ha. Okay, yeah, that's cute too. See, on this one, I don't think I'll put a cabochon. I think I'll just go with the words for now. And then we have another bats, but out of these letters. So just kind of get the idea. And again, I'm going to tilt the letters. I just think that's so cute. Okay, so we're going to go tilt, 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 tilt. That's cute. Okay, so we'll put that on. I'm not crazy about the red for Halloween, but all of the bees in this particular set were red, so I don't have a choice. But that's okay. So I'm in Utah. We've had a super hot summer, like just days and days over 100, which I hate because I don't like being hot. I'm even hot right now and I have my air conditioner on. But it's just been a crazy hot summer. And of course we're on watering restrictions because we didn't have hardly any snow this year. So we can only water twice a week and not very long. But that's okay, you know, it's worth conserving so that we don't run out. Okay, now let's look at scare. Well, let's see. Scare, yeah, 1, 2, 3. Okay, my other two words are both 5 letters. So we've got, I did scary. I don't know, maybe I could wrap this one just to be different. Scary. Yeah, that's kind of cute. Okay, let's do that. The thing about making these is, first of all, they're so addicting. And then it's fun deciding what to put on them. And then it's just so easy and fast. These just make great gifts for craft fairs, or you know, if you're needing gifts for teachers, friends, neighbors, kids, I mean, any occasion, you know. You can put people's names on these, obviously, if you know who they're for, or even just initials. Okay, see, that's not totally even right there, but that's okay. It's still cute. Okay, now last one is, now we're gonna do scare. Spook would have been cute too. I just barely thought of doing spook. I think the S is upside down. Let's see. Okay. I keep hitting my phone with the bill of my hat. Now that I'm not working, I don't do hair or makeup. I just throw on a hat and no makeup and I'm good to go. Scare. Okay, so that'll fit on there pretty well. Just can't space them too far apart. Okay, scare, there's the S. And the C. I'm glad these stay on so well. I was disappointed about the silicone not sticking. But what's fun about the silicone one, I'll get it in just a sec and show you. Scare. See, that barely fits because I didn't space it very well. And if I wanted to be precise, I could pull everything off and redo it, but I'm not. Okay. What's fun about these, when you can find these with any kind of a hull, then you can make a charm dangle. So I've got this one here, I've got a spider and a pumpkin with a hat and a ghost. But see how cute that is, and hang it on your purse. So I don't know, but yeah, let me know if anyone knows of what kind of glue is going to hold these on. Let me know, okay? Because like I said, E6000 did not hold, which is very surprising because it usually holds everything. Okay, that's it for today. I will have more videos on some cute things coming up that I've been making for my craft fair. I hope this gave you a cute idea for either craft fair or gifts. So the cheapest place to find these is Five Below and also Dollar Tree. So when I see them, I always grab them. Obviously Dollar Tree's cheaper because they're $1.25, I think, unless they've gone up to $1.50 now. And then these were 2 for $5, so that's $2.50. So if you can get them at Dollar Tree, they're going to be cheaper, but they're just, sometimes you can find them, sometimes you can't. I've never seen the orange at Dollar Tree, so that's why I was excited to grab these at Five Below. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you again.